Winter portable air conditioners offer mobile and convenient cooling solutions anywhere you need it. With an easy setup and powerful cooling, winter portable air conditioners provide a convenient way to stay cool and comfortable. The Winter ARC 14S 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a highly effective dual hose unit that provides exceptionally effective cooling when you need it most. Utilizing a dual hose system, this unit is able to more efficiently cool and maintain the conditions within a room. This portable air conditioner comes in two versions: the ARC 14S, which is a cool-only unit, and the ARC 14SH, which has a heat pump function that can be used as a space heater during cooler weather. For the portable air conditioner to cool effectively, the hot air the unit removes from the room needs to be vented to the outside. The window venting kits that come with our winter portable air conditioner fits most standard windows. You may make a custom modification and vent the exhaust through a wall or into a drop ceiling. Lift the window and adjust the window slide bars to the width or height of your window. Next, tighten the screws to hold the slide bars in position. Make sure the grooved side of the window slide bar is facing inside. Insert the fixtures to the holes of the window slide bar. Make sure the two closure tabs of the fixture are facing the inside. Install the 4 screws of the fixture from the inside. The end of the screws should point towards the outside. Close the window tightly enough to hold the slide bar in place. Attach the hose connectors to both ends of the hoses. Attach one end of the hoses to the back of the air conditioner. Extend the hoses as needed and attach the other end to the window slide bar. The easy setup process is complete. You can now enjoy your winter portable air conditioner. Pull open the top air vent. Power on the unit using the control panel. Select Cool Mode by pressing the Mode button. Set desired temperature by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Select fan speed by pressing the fan button. This unit comes equipped with a pre-filter as well as an odor neutralizing carbon filter.
Welcome to our unboxing and setup guide for the portable air conditioner. Today, we'll walk you through everything included in the box and show you how to get it up and running. As we open the box, we have the portable air conditioner unit itself, packing 8,000 BTU of cooling power, perfect for rooms up to 300 square feet. Alongside, we have the universal window mount AC exhaust kit, the exhaust hose, a remote control, and the instruction manual. Now, let's set it up. Start by positioning the AC unit in your desired location. Next, attach the exhaust hose to the back of the unit. The hose snaps in securely and allows for efficient air expulsion. Moving to the window installation, take the window installation plate and adjust it to fit your window's width. Slide the exhaust hose connector into the plate, ensuring a tight fit to prevent any air leaks. With the window kit in place, you're all set on that front. Ensure the hose is extended relatively straight so as not to block any airflow and risk overheating. For power, simply plug the unit into a standard electrical outlet. Now, turn on the air conditioner using the touchscreen control panel with the LED display, or use the convenient remote control to adjust settings from anywhere in the room. Maintaining your air conditioner is straightforward. The removable and washable air filter ensures that your unit runs efficiently and keeps the air clean. Enjoy a cool, comfortable space with minimal effort.